Hey guys, welcome everybody. It's your Harsh Vyas back again with a new video. So guys, now we are going to study three topics. Those are function, cybercrime friends. Yes, cybercrime. And we are going to study what is cybercrime and how to be safe from it. Because the world is so dangerous. Third, we are going to study stacks. Oh, stacks. That's so boring. No friends, it is interesting one. I assure you that you will not get bored in my session. I would like to thank a ma'am, Mrs. Arunikita ma'am, for a great support. Thank you ma'am. Guys, come let's start our video. So what are functions? Yay! We have a marriage function in our home. Guys, you're wrong. We don't deal with that function here. We deal with Python functions. Functions are the subprograms that acts on data and returns the value. For example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So here 10 and 20 are inputs. To get the value of C, we give print A plus B. Here 10 and 20 are inputs which computates and gives a new product. But in large programs are broken down into small units and those are known as functions. It is a statement that takes inputs, do specific computation and returns a new product or an output. Common or repeated task is put together inside a function. Same code is not necessary to be written again and again and again. So friends, now we know the definition of function. Nothing is going to work if we know only the definition. We should also keep knowing the uses of function. There are three main uses of function. Those are, it avoids ambiguity, which means avoids errors. Second one, it reduces the size of the program. Third one, it makes the programmer understandable and readable. Function header. Function header is the first line of function definition that begins with keyword def and ends with colon. Specific function name and parameters. Parameters is the variable within the parenthesis of function header. We have studied what is the definition of function, uses of function, function header, parameters. Now we are going to study what is function body. Block of statements that define action performed. It is indented under the function header. Now we are going to study what is flow of execution. Flow of execution is an order in which statements are executed during the program run. Second point is the function block is executed in an execution frame. It contains name of function, value passed of the function, variables created within the function, and the information about the next program to be executed. So guys, we have studied what is function, uses of function, then we have studied function header, then we have studied parameters, then function body. Now we have completed flow of execution. Now we are going to see steps of execution. There are totally 7 steps which are to be executed before the program is going to be done. Step 1. Execution always begins at the first line of the program. Step 2. Comment lines are not executed. Step 3. If the Python finds that the program is function definition DEF, it only executes function header to find that the function execution is proper. It skips all body function. Step 4. Statement including function body is not executed until the function is called. Step 5. When code line contains function call, Python jumps into the function definition part and executes it. Step 6. Function ends with return statement, last statement, and jump back to the function call statement and completes it. So now we are going to study about arguments and parameters. Arguments are also known as actual arguments or actual parameters. They are values being passed. Now Parameters. Parameters are also known as formal parameters or formal arguments. Those are values being received. Arguments can be taken in different ways. Way 1, it can be taken in literal form. For example, 4, 5. Arguments can also be taken in variable form. For example, 4, p. Arguments can also be taken in expression form. For example, p plus 1. Now we are going to see passing parameters. There are 3 formal arguments. Those are positive arguments, default arguments, and keywords or named arguments. Hey guys, welcome everybody. It's your Harsh Vyas back again with a new topic. Now we are going to study our second topic, which is cybercrime. What is cybercrime, friends, and how to be safe from it? You know, I told in my introduction, because the world is so dangerous. Yes, we are going to see what is cybercrimes and measures to be safe. Come on, friends. So friends, there are 11 types of cybercrime. Those are hacking, second one is theft, third one is cyber stalking, fourth one is identity theft, fifth one is malicious software, sixth one is sales and investment theft, seventh one is child pornography, eighth one is electric fund transfer fund, the ninth one is defermentation, 10th one is assault by theft, and last one is DOS attack. Gaining knowledge to someone's personal information and sensitive from someone's computer is known as hacking. Hacking is different from ethical hacking. Ethical hackers use only to get internet security, but hacking is different from ethical hackers. Now, we are going to speak about the second crime, which is theft. Theft often happens when a person is downloading music, movies, softwares by violating copyrights. There are many even per sharing apps which encourages to have security or privacy for it. Now we are going to speak about the third crime, which is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is a kind of online harassment when a people gets abusive messages or emails on his computer. The fourth cybercrime is identity theft. This often takes place in our country when many people try to do online transaction or banking services. The victim tries to get the personal information or the details of bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, or to steal the money from the accounts. Now, we are going to speak about the fifth cybercrime, which is malicious software. This software is generally used to steal information or data that causes harm to the existing software or in the computer system. To speak about the sixth cybercrime, which is child pornography. In this crime, the defaulters create, distribute, or access material that sexually exploits children. We are going to see our seventh crime, which is sales and investment fraud. There are many fraudulent sites that sell poor quality of products at a cheapest rate, and they fake promises people that they provide a heavy discount and free dents. Now we are going to see our eighth crime, which is electric funds and investment frauds. In this, valid credit cards are hacked electronically and can be misused by the wrong person or the fraud person. Now, we would like to see our 10th crime, that is assault by threats. It refers to threatening a person or his family by consequences through the use. Now we will see our 10th cybercrime, that is assault by threats. It refers to threatening a person or his family member with the consequences through the use of computer networks. For example, emails, or etc. Now, we will see our last crime, which is DOS attack, which means denial of service attacks. In this DOS attack, it do not allow the attackers to modify or to access the information of the person from the computers. I would like to give some preventions for cybercrime. We can have a strong passwords. Second, we can secure our computers. Third, we can be social media savvy. Fourth one, we can secure our mobile devices. Fifth one, we can install new or latest operating system softwares. Seventh one, we can protect our data. And eighth one, we can secure our wireless connections. Hey guys, welcome everybody. This is your Harsh Vyas back again with your last topic, that is stacks. Yes, it is our last topic, and after that we have a rapid fire for you guys. Now what is stacks? Yes, we are going to see what is stacks. Stack, it is a linear data structure where insertion of elements and desertion of elements is done only from one side, and in which it is called as top of stacks. Operations of stacks. There are three operations: push, pop and peep. The errors of stacks are two: overflow and underflow. Overflow is when the stacks is already full and we try to add a new element. It is known as overflow. Underflow, when the stack is empty and we try to remove the element, it is known as underflow.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, hope you have enjoyed my video and be waiting for my next video. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, friends.